Hey guys, Rookie Lock here. Long time no see. Jeez, it's probably been, damn, I want to say more than a year since I've uploaded a video. Um, kind of apologize for that, guys, for my loyal viewers. Yeah, kind of a lot going on. I think I'll probably do like a catch-up video to catch you guys up on what's been going on here. But I think today I'm just gonna focus on this package. Um, just got this in the mail from Mr. Paul Springett. So yeah, I think we'll keep it to this today, and like I said, I'll probably do an update video to catch you guys up on what's been going on. But long story short, I kind of took a bit of a break for a while. Was actually about to start making videos again, and my father passed away, so kind of took a break on that. And once so much time goes by, it's uh, kind of hard to get going again. Not sure if you can tell, I got a new camera here, and kind of looks dark to me. I know it's the white balance or something, but hopefully I get this white sheet off the screen, and it'll get better. But yeah, like I said, this is from Mr. Springett, and yeah, it's a bit better. I know of a couple things that are in here, but this seems a lot heavier than what I thought was going to be in here, so yeah, we'll cut it open and see. Got a new knife, by the way. It's forget what kind of lock they call it, like an Axis style lock. It's really nice. Anyway, let's get into this. I'll cut it off camera. Hope I'm not cutting into anything. Great packaging again, Paul. Love it when packages packed like this. Alright. Oh, this is packaged very well. Oh damn, I was close to cutting something, but I luckily didn't cut it. I think I'm just gonna empty it on the floor. Oh, what the fuck, Paul? Are you freaking crazy? Holy crap. Just reading a note here. Oh geez, that's beautiful. Don't think there's anything wrong with letting you guys read it. My nickname's on there, but I don't really care. Oh geez, where to start? I've got all kinds of stuff here. Let's start with the smaller things. So we got some keys, which is always great to have. I appreciate these, Paul. Actually, it's kind of funny. So as you know, I take care of the locks in the building here, and my landlord is finally, well, finally, my landlord is nice enough to buy some key blanks, which is kind of good and kind of bad. Since she buys them, I don't know what to charge her for every, key I cut. It's a lot easier when you have your own. You can kind of charge what a locksmith shop would charge, minus a few, you know what I mean, couple 50 cents or whatever. But it's hard to charge her something when she provides the blanks. But no, this is awesome. This is always great to have. And Paul, I'm surprised that you got a better memory than better memory than I thought, better memory than I do. This is a spindle for I have it here. This 570 mortise. So finally get this put together. I made a display for it. It's a little bit of work getting this hogged out with a Forstner bit and a chisel, especially since the Forstner bit that I have wasn't deep enough, so I had to make like an extended shaft for it, but it fits quite nicely. The only thing I was waiting on is drilling the holes for the handle. I think I have them pretty well marked out, but this'll I'll do the center one, and then I'll just mount the knob and then drill the outer ones. So you probably look forward to a video on that for sure. What else do we got here? So again, good memory. I mentioned that I always need to get a couple of these. So Paul knows I have an obsession with these Abus closed shackle 83s. And I have one that doesn't, well, I have one that still has the original core in it. And the other two that I have, this one has a CX5. This one has, what's it called? Schlag Primus. And then I have the big one, of course, which has a bilock 570 oval in it. So I'd like to get like a multi-lock or something to put in one of these. But, oh, that's for my display. But yeah, what a freaking guy Paul is. I open up this package, and like I said, oh, no way. Fucking right. Excuse the French. I open up this package and look what the friggin' bloody bastard sent me. Again, excuse my French. We got, might as well open them up. I think one of them is special, or maybe two of them. Actually, yeah, maybe two of them. Yeah, there we go. That is beautiful. Looks like, I forget if this top piece is, that if this, whatever adapter came with the Kaba. And man, for a guy with a drill press, like this is pretty impressive, Paul. Looks pretty good. And it's one thing to get one side of the key working, but to, you know what I mean? To get both sides of the key working to where it's reversible, that's pretty impressive. Works beautifully. Oops. Works beautifully too. Oh damn it. That's gonna take a floor crawl. That is awesome. And remember he mentioned in one of his videos, it is amazing how tarnished these get. Just, I don't even handle these that often. Just by them sitting on the desk, they can get quite tarnished. But I have a pretty good method to getting rid of that with sanding block, sanding sponge. Oh no way! I remember the video on this. Geez, I gotta thank both Paul and Funky for this. That is awesome. Geez, I have a blue key like this. Imagine that they were keyed alike. That would be kind of cool. Actually, if they were, I would turn one into, because this is from Funky, I believe. No, they're not keyed alike. But either way, I got to turn this into, still getting used to this camera. I hope the camera looks better too, guys. I got to turn this into a quick change key. Either that or, do I have one here? Yeah, I could key it to this one too, but hard to say what I'll do. I might just do it on this one. We'll see. That's awesome though. Freak. I'm freaking lucky. I'm having Oh, wicked! A non-closed jackal. I had one of these, but I actually gave it to Mur a while back. Be cool to be able to show both of them. Beautiful locks. This is, like I said, this is a lock I would honestly use if I had stuff that was worth locking up. Another closed jackal. And these, ooh, with all high cuts, these are actually pretty tough to pick. I have a really hard time picking this one right here. Man, what? Oh, there's just something about these locks when you have a big batch of them all together. Man, that's satisfying to me. Paul, you didn't have to do this. I hope you know. Jeez, what a fucking pile. Excuse my language. Man, I don't know what to say. And we got one left here too, and this is really cool. If I wasn't already at what 11 minutes, I would. Man, that is freaking cool. It's a half euro padlock. Actually, shouldn't take too long. Let me see. What do we do here? Do I have it nearby? Damn, where is it? Oh, here it is. And here's the keys. So I have this 3KS from, oh, I would have to change the cam position, but should be about the right size. Oh, that's a little keeper, right? Or is it? I forget how these work. Oh, it has to be turned. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna... I might save this for another video, guys. I know that's got to be in a certain position. Oh. Oh, I almost had it. Yeah, you know what? I'm just kind of wasting time here making my video a little long. Yeah, that's got to be aligned properly. Might watch Chris's video on that. But yeah, keep an eye out for a video on that for sure. And as well as the, where did I put that? The mortise lock. Oh, it's in the display. Mortise lock here. That'll be really cool to be able to do. Yeah, for everyone that oh, there's another. I think that's about it, eh, Paul? Oh, freak, another one. So 4 of those. Yeah, let me know if I missed anything. And for everyone that's still subscribed and still supporting me, I greatly appreciate you guys. That really means a lot to me. Thanks for sticking in there. And Paul, man, again, thank you doesn't seem like enough, but same to you. Thanks for supporting me over the years. You've done, geez, so much for me. Really means a lot to me, man. Yeah, let me know if there's anything I can do to help you out. If you ever need, I don't know, any assistance with anything, let me know. If it's something I can help you out with, I'll do my damnedest to do that. Yeah, any questions, anything computer related, anything at all, just let me know. Um, yeah, 15 minutes. I'm gonna sign off, guys, and gonna, geez, edit my first video that well, add my beginning and closing. First time since I've done that in definitely over a year. Frig, and time flies. Time flies whether you're having your fun or not. Thanks again, guys. I'm kind of rambling here, so catch you guys in the next video, and thanks again for everything. Thanks again, Paul. Take care.